right, guys, today we have this really beautiful 2011 G37 sedan, and two things that are just really cool about it is it's one of my favorite colors. It's like a midnight purple-esque to it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is just gorgeous. And it's a Uniport because it is a 6-speed manual. So you don't see a whole lot of these out there in the wild. And this thing is just gorgeous. The boys from SoCal Z brought it over to us so we can get it tuned. It is running a Soho old school air-to-air, so it still uses the still an intake manifold. That, cooler, the air cooler has been pulled out of it. There's a block-off plate, so it retains that intake manifold design. The new stuff from Soho has the factory intake manifold in place and a little bit different piping setup, of course. This one is still being powered by the SCI blower, so the original supercharger that comes with the still-in kits. That's really the limiting factor for this as far as making any more power today. So it's got just the turbo guard style intake on it, not much filtration, but it provides the most amount of power, no restriction whatsoever, as long as you're not using that screen that goes on the front of it that prevents water and some debris. 91 octane, this thing did really well. 480 wheel, just 10 pounds of boost. It's still on the bigger original pulley, the silver pulley on the front side. Putting in that 9 PSI pulley will definitely pick up more power even on the SCI, but the SCI is basically getting maxed out on airflow. The next upgrade to get this bad boy into the 6s, easily two things you do, the 9 PSI pulley and the SI blower, and you got yourself easily into the 600s. With that being said, on the 85, we got this thing up to about E55, which is as much as we could get it with as much 91 that was in it. We got it up to 548 wheels. So, no change in boost, of course. I can't change the boost on this thing for the way it's designed, but with fueling and timing and the ethanol itself picks up that additional power. So did really good. Good power level for one of these. Pretty reliable all day long. Beat on it and enjoy it.